So this is my Quadriplegia add-on. You have the foot attachment here and the neck attachment here. You're gonna first start by connecting the wires from the back of here onto the makey, and they're labeled, so it makes it super easy. And you can also use the neck attachment at the same time, connecting it to the space and click. But for the purpose of this video, we're just gonna be using the foot attachment to start. So to use the attachment, you're gonna first connect ground to any 4 of the arrow keys, connecting it just to the copper tape on the outside, and then using one foot, you're going to be able to press the up, down, right, and left arrow keys. So to use the Quadriplegia neck attachment, first you want to connect the space, click, and ground wires, and they're all labeled as well, so it'll be super easy to connect them. And if you need it to be to reach taller, you can always double up the alligator clips like so. And keep in mind that you will also have your foot connections over there. So once you have the Quadriplegia neck add-on on, you will make sure that your neck is connected to the copper tape right there, because that's the ground. And then when you move left, that'll be left click, and right is space. So this is the Diplegia add-on. Here you have the up, down, right, left, click, and space arrow keys. You're gonna start by connecting them onto the makey, and they're all labeled for convenience. So with the Diplegia add-on, you can use your hand like this, or your hand like this, or whatever's most comfortable. And just to show that it works, here's the left click, up, down, right, and then go like that, or like that. Just make sure that you're touching the ground and the arrow key at the same time.